This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to change image opacity in Google Docs. So right here in Google Docs, have this some text that I found online, just open right here. And this is an image from Unsplash, the free image source. So we're going to click on this image first of all, then we have the three dots just underneath the image for image options. Ooh, click that just once. And then at the bottom, we are going to click all image options. Just like that, that opens this sidebar over here for image options. We will click the drop down for adjustments. And then right here, you see the opacity settings. So you can change opacity, you can change brightness and contrast right here. So in this video, obviously we're doing opacity. So we have 100%. You can change things granular like this in increments, or you can just drag right down like this. If you want to sort of 50%, you can go here. Maybe you want exactly 50%, you can adjust right there. And you'll see that the image changes instantly. So we can come all the way down. That's almost transparent, 8%. And then its original state is 100%. And you can change things. If you just wanted it to come down to sort of 70%, 75%, you can see that you can add that extra kind of transparency and you can adjust the opacity in this way. So again, that is the image highlighted. It's the three dots for all image options. Open up the adjustments panel and you can change things right here. Super straightforward. That is how you change opacity of an image in Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.